Okay, so on the second homework or circle part, you were given a graph and you're asked to find standard form. And I don't think that's hopefully too bad. In essence, with standard form, what you're looking at is you identify your center. In this case, we're going right 3, up 5. I just kind of drew a little janky little circle there so we get an idea of where it is. And then you've got your radius, which in this case, the radius would have been counted off as 3 spaces. And then, so that means my circle's not very accurate. I apologize. And then when we squared it, we get 9. So my guess is finding standard form isn't too bad. Now, making that jump from standard to general form might be posing some questions. And essentially, all that happens to go from standard to general form is we basically just need to multiply everything out and combine stuff appropriately. So, here we go. If I wanted to multiply out the x minus 3 squared, you can imagine making that box x minus 3, x minus 3, and in so doing that, we are able to fill in those missing pieces. So by filling in those pieces, I now have x squared minus 3x minus 3x and a positive 9. And then those numbers right there, if I add them up and combine, I now have x squared minus 6x plus 9. I can do the same thing with my second set of parentheses. You can draw the box out. You might already realize the shortcut. I'm going to jump straight to the fact that I'm going to have y squared minus 10y's plus 25. If you made the box, that's totally fine. Now the key is we have to clean this up. And so in essence, what you're going to be looking to do is the 3 numbers that don't have any variables on them, you should combine. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to look at my 9 and my 25, and I'm going to subtract the 9, I'm going to subtract the 25, and I end up with x squared minus 6x plus y squared minus 10y is equal to negative 25. This is an appropriate solution for the general form. And the calculator on the website will take this as a solution for the general form. Technically, ideal general form by definition will be equal to 0. So it would have been better for us to move the 9's over, which in this case would have been a little cleaner. And you would have written your answer as x squared minus 6x plus y squared minus 10y plus 25. Either way, they will both work. So hopefully that gets you the option from going from standard form, which you can just read the details from your graph, to general form when you multiply it out.